Did you know that when you're roughing a pocket, if you'd like to enter into the pocket using helical toolpath, OneCNC provides the ability to control the helical diameter. Well, it's very simple to do, and I'm going to show you how to do it. In this example, you can see we have a part and we have three narrow pockets. Now at the moment, I'm using a high-speed pocket operation to rough out all three pockets, and I'm just using a plunge approach. But I really would like to helix down inside, and I'd like to be able to control the diameter of the helix so the helix move can fit inside these narrow slots. Not a problem. Let's demonstrate. Let's right-hand mouse click over here within the NC Manager. Let's select Edit Operation, and we're going to push through the dialog boxes here until we come to right here. We're going to tell OneCNC that we'd like to ramp helix into the pocket, and then down here we can specify the ramp angle and also the helix amount. I'm going to change the helix to 400 thousandths, and notice down here that OneCNC also provides a range. This is the minimum diameter of the helix, and this is the maximum diameter of the helix. So 0.4, that definitely fits within inside that range. Let's click next and push through this. And there we go. Let's go ahead and simulate this. Let's click on Simulate. I'll use the solid model I created earlier. And here we go. Let's speed the toolpath up. And you can see we're performing a helix move down inside the pocket. And on top of that, we get to control the diameter of the helix. Very, very nice and powerful feature provided by OneCNC. Thank you so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next tip of the day.